Good evening, I'm Lisa Pallavi Barbara and you're with me for today's Market Watch. The markets have been in a consolidation phase for the last few days and today was no different. After the sharp up move we saw on the 29th of June post the EU summit, the markets have pretty much remained in a small range. Today, of course, weakness in global markets are what kept our markets low as well. The BSE Sensex finally ended around 129 points lower at 17,392 and the Nifty lost around 0.79% to end at 5275. Broader markets actually fared much worse. The BSE Mid-Cap Index was down 1.2% and the BSE 500 Index was down around 0.94%. Remember, the mid-cap stocks have been gaining some ground in the last few trading sessions, as experts suggest that attractive valuations have made investors buy into those stocks. The markets are not going anywhere in a hurry as there are many events to watch out this month. Earnings season will kick in from this week. Some of the major companies that are coming out with earnings include IT companies TCS and Infosys. Analysts suggest that rupee earnings could see some positive in Q1 as thanks to the favorable currency movement. However, it's the dollar earnings that one should watch out for. TCS was up around 0.95% today and Infosys was down around 0.29%. The BSE IT index was the best place in today's trade among sectoral indices, down only 0.07%. There are some major private sector banks who are also going to declare results this week. Among them are HDFC Bank, ICICI and Axis Bank and IndusInd Bank, which are some of the major ones to watch out for. HDFC Bank was down around 0.72% today, ICICI Bank was down 0.6%, Axis lost around 0.25% and IndusInd was down around 0.12%. The BSE BankX, however, fared much worse, down around 0.75%. Tata Motors had some good news today as the global rating agency S&P has revised the rating on that stock from BB- to BB, citing an improved business and financial risk outlook for the company. The stock recovered slightly from its intraday low and ended the day around 0.15% down. Another Tata Group company, Tata Power, however, had some bad news as S&P revised its outlook to negative from stable. The stock was down 2%. The effect could have rubbed off on some other power stocks as well. JSW Energy and Adani Power were both down around 5%. Reliance Power was down 2% today. Among the Sensex stocks, other than TCS, the gainers today were Dr. Reddy's, which was up 0.82%, and Hindalco up 0.12%. On the losing side, there were many stocks. Some of the big names, Hero MotoCorp and Jindal Steel, were down 2.6%, and Bajaj Auto, Maruti Suzuki, and Tata Steel were down around 2.3%. So that's all from me on today's Market Wrap. Stay tuned to know what happens tomorrow and how the earnings season starts to affect the markets.